If you're experiencing a billing hold on your Yahoo Mail account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo account. Visit the Yahoo Mail website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Ensure you are using the correct email address and password. Step 2. Check for billing notifications. Once logged in, look for any notifications or alerts regarding billing holds. These messages typically appear at the top of your inbox or in your account settings. Step 3. Update payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Review subscription status. Check your subscription status to ensure that your account is active and not expired. If your subscription has lapsed, consider renewing it to lift the hold. Step 5. Contact Yahoo support. If the hold persists after updating your information, reach out to Yahoo customer support. Use the help section on their website to find contact options and explain your issue for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to remove any billing holds on your Yahoo Mail account. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from Yahoo's support team.